Omaha father drunk behind the wheel with his kids in the car caused a crash that almost killed one of his daughters.
Today, Benjamin Thompson learned he will spend years behind bars as the tragedy continues to unfold. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski is live with more on the fallout. Jake.
Guys, the crash left then 8-year-old Caslin Thompson brain dead. Her dad wouldn't let her be taken off life support. Now prosecutors say he'll have a decade to think about his actions. Benjamin Thompson hasn't had a drink since the day he was arrested in October 2016. Prosecutors say he was drinking a 6-pack of beer and a 750-milliliter bottle of whiskey almost every day when he drove drunk with 3 of his children in the backseat of his car and caused a crash at 30th and Sorensen Parkway. That day, he also took prescription pills. Thompson fled the scene and threw away alcohol at Miller Park, where he was arrested. 2 of his daughters in the car were gravely injured. Judge Gregory Schatz sentenced Thompson to 22 to 25 years in prison for his 5th DUI conviction, negligent child abuse, and leaving the scene of a crash. It was close to the maximum allowed. With good time, he'll serve about 11 years before he's eligible for parole.
I believe that's an appropriate sentence and is fair based on the facts here in the defendant's criminal record. He has 5 prior DUI arrests, 4 prior DUI convictions.
Thompson told police at the scene he was driving his kids to the hospital, but prosecutors say he chose to discard evidence of his crime instead of tend to his daughters. He didn't have anything to say to the judge. His family wouldn't speak after court.
Yeah, we don't have no comment.
Judge Schatz said, quote, "The defendant continues to deny these facts, which resulted in these terrible injuries to his children, was his fault." Prosecutors say young Caslin will never wake up, and her brain is permanently damaged.
We just see the risk here that he's placing those children in every day, and certainly on that day when he decides to drive after drinking, and in this case even abusing some prescription medications.
In April, Thompson had his parental rights terminated, but he's appealing that decision. The juvenile court indicated they hope to reunite the children with their mother, but this month prosecutors asked for her parental rights to be terminated again. Judge Schatz would not allow our camera in the courtroom for any of the Thompson court dates after multiple requests. Reporting live, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.